windy. Alright, shut that off.
Is that lift come?
No.
Lift comes.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a
Windy.
severe thunderstorm warning for southern Cook County in northeast Illinois, northeastern Kankakee County in northeast Illinois, central Will County in northeast Illinois, Lake County in northwest Indiana until 8 o'clock p.m. At 7:01 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from LaGrange to Lockport to Shanahan and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Worth and Palos Hills around 7:10 p.m. Tinley Park and Oak Forest around 7:15 p.m. Posen and Midlothian around 7:20 p.m. University of Williamsport at around 7:25 p.m. Taker and Lansing around 7:30 p.m. Sauk Village and Linwood around 7:35 p.m. This includes the south side of the city of Chicago. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. A severe thunderstorm